What's up guys, this is the Nemesis Coupe with another video, and today I'm going to be installing the RS type axle back exhaust on my 2015 Honda Civic Si. Now it comes with a cute little lanyard. That is so that you can attach the exhaust tip to the muffler itself. It comes obviously with the muffler, nice and hollow. This is the exhaust tip. Obviously I went for the Ricer oil slick. Don't mind the train. I don't know, yeah, there it is. Comes with a baffle inside, which is removable. I'm going to show you a couple clips of the stock exhaust, the baffled exhaust, and the non-baffled exhaust. So it's pretty much self-explanatory. It bolts up here to your stock mid pipe, and then you would just bolt that on, or clamp it on, and that's basically that. With this, you'd need I don't know what size Allen keys you would need. I'll have to look at that then, but that's to remove that baffle then. Without further ado, I'm gonna rip this this stock muffler off and throw this one on, but first I'm going to show you a clip of the stock exhaust, then the baffled, and then non-baffled exhaust. Alright, so here it is completely installed. Now, I had some fitment issues with actually a couple things, but the main one was this exhaust tip was just, I mean, literally flush, like right up against the bumper, and melted down there. Now it's out of the way, you can't even see it. I'm not that worried about it anymore. But I was worried about, you know, future problems with it. So a buddy of mine at work, who actually runs his own shop, his name is Cucker's Customs. I will leave a link to his Instagram page in the description. But I will show you, used an oxyacetylene torch to heat this part up. That's why it's discolored here. Because he was explaining that different temperatures actually cause different colors. That's how you get this burnt tip here, because different temperatures mean different changes in the metal's color. So what he did was he heated that up until it was glowing hot, stuck a pry bar in here, and pushed this pipe and just bent it that way. And obviously, as you can see, it is perfect for the most part. I mean, it's just a temporary exhaust. This is not going to be like my, this is not what I'm sticking with for, the rest of eternity, but this is just something to cruise around with. I like how it sounds. I like, especially the fact that the baffle is removable. That is a nice touch, and I'm leaving the baffle out because I like to hear ricey sounds come from my lawnmower. So, that's definitely nice. But yeah, there you have it. So, I don't know if I can go back that far. No, of course not. But like I said before, this literally just bolts right up to your mid-pipe. And that actually, for me, is rusting out. So I'm going to end up replacing the whole mid-pipe anyways. I don't know when. Probably when it literally just falls the fuck off. So we'll see how that goes. But that is that. That's my exhaust. And I apologize to you if you don't like ricey Japanese lawnmower sounds, but oh well, you're the one that clicked on the video.